Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello children, how are you? I think you are in good condition and following up with the lessons and the videos that we are sending you. And in the same manner, I am today giving you a poetry, that is photograph for class 11 from the book Hornbill and from the poetry section. The first poetry we are doing today is photograph, written by Shirley Tolson. She was a British poet and modern age poet in British poetry. She was a modern age poet. She indulges in writing about the poetry, about the sentiments of the people, and in the same manner this poetry photograph is a remembrance of the poetess mother. When the mother has died long before, many years have passed, but the poetess just realized and missed her mother when she finally goes through a photograph and she suddenly sees her mother's photograph and she remembers everything about her and what a kind of loss she is facing. So this poetry I will be giving you important points about this poetry. We will be starting from the first para. What are the important things that are given in the first para? So the first stage we are going to talk about is the poetess childhood. This is not poetess childhood but poetess mother's childhood. The poetess come across a cardboard. A cardboard is given the name to a photograph in the poetry in which there is a poetess mother's photograph is there and when she was very young. So the childhood of poetess mother. The photograph of the poetess mother. It was the photograph of the poetess mother when she was very young and it was taken at the beach when they have gone enjoying their sea holidays at the beach. Means the mother, when the photograph was clicked, she was at the beach and she was enjoying her sea holidays. Now who were all with her? Cousin Betty and Dolly. Poetess mother was with her two cousins that named Betty and Dolly. They were enjoying at the beach and enjoying their sea holidays. Then what was the age? Poetess mother age? She was 12 years or so. Between that, little less or little more, she was more or less 12 years of age, means that she was very young and she was with her two cousins Betty and Dolly. Then they were barefooted. Barefoot means they were not wearing anything in their foot because they were at the beach, they were enjoying the water and the sand of the beach. Uncle clicked the photograph. Who clicked the photograph? There were one person more who was their uncle and he clicked the photograph of these three girls at the beach. Sea has changed less. When the poetess is looking at the photograph, she could see the sea now has just gone under a very less change. But looking at the photograph of her mother and the time she has died, it was a huge change at in the face of the poetess mother. So the natural thing, the sea, the universal thing has not been under a lot of change, but the mother, the mortal being, the human beings go through a lot of change when they age. So these all are the important points that we come across during the first para. The photograph was of the mother with her two cousins Betty and Dolly and they were enjoying their sea holidays at the beach. And they had clicked the photograph, that is clicked by the uncle. Okay, and they were barefooted. Now children, what were the things? The breeze there was cool breeze flowing and their hair were flowing in the air. Their foot were washed with the sea water. The waves were coming and going. The atmosphere was very pleasant at the sea. So they all were in a very happy mood. Okay children, so first paragraph we have understood. Now we will be moving to the second stage or the second paragraph. What happens next? So 20 years or 30 years later. So what happens when 20 or 30 years passed, when the mother is no more and the poetess is remembering all those things that were happening when the mother was looking at the photograph, how she was reacting and how she was laughing. That all movement she is remembering, and we will be discussing in this para, in the second para. Memory of author. So the memory of the poetess, what she sees when her mother seems so happy when she looks at the photograph, and what was her reaction. Poetess mother laughing at the photograph. So whenever the poetess mother sees the photograph, she is filled with enjoyment and happiness. She feels so happy that she laughs while looking at the photograph. Laughing at the photograph. And sea holidays, an event of the past. So children, it was something worth of sharing with with the help of the photograph we have for the memories we cherish when the time has gone. The photograph, the work of the photograph is that. And when the mother looks at the photograph, she is filled with happiness and laughter, and she enjoys and remembers the time that she has when the photograph was clicked and who were present with her, and she is very much happy to once relive again those moments with the help of the photograph. So they were enjoying the sea holidays, an event, what that is an event of past, because photograph play an important role to bring alive the past moment that we want to cherish. Okay. Laughter in real and pleasant for the poet. The laughter of the mother, if the poetess can still feel, can still hear in her ears the laughter of her mother, the happiness of her mother. She can still remember those moments, and she misses those moments. Sense of loss. The poetess feels a sense of loss because now the mother is dead, the mother is not anymore with the poetess, and she, while looking at the photograph, recollects all the memories. What were the memories when the mother sees the photograph, what she was reacting at the looking at the photograph, all those things the poetess is missing because the mother is no more with her, and this is a great loss for her. Now, lost her happy moments of the childhood. Now she realizes that she has lost all the happy moments that she was enjoying looking at her mother when the mother was looking at the photograph. So this is the purpose of the photograph, that we cherish the moment that has become now event of the past, and when one looks at the photograph, they are filled with happiness and joy and go back again in those memories, and they feel happy.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.